Good morning, it's Sunday and we've just woken up in the location we stopped at last night. Van's just there and we are in the Royal Oak car park just outside of Filey, classed as Filey. It's on the search for sites and we've had a really peaceful night. It's been wicked. Now we're going on to Filey. So we've hit a bit of a problem this morning. What exactly has happened, Mark?
The fuse has blown for the V2B charger.
Oh dear. So that's going to have to get fixed before we move anywhere today.
Well, the batteries are alright, aren't they, to be fair? So we're 70%, even though we've had the e-tron all night, so it's not too bad, is it?
Just another quick pit stop, more diesel needed. Won't get very far without it. After a disastrous start to the day, Mark's finally fixed the van and now we're back on the road heading towards Filey. So we're just at somewhere called Filey Brig, and as you can see, the views are amazing. So we've arrived at Filey, but there's absolutely no parking whatsoever. So it looks like we'll be moving on. Won't be stopping here today. It is a bit cold anyway. Beach looks nice. Like you can get a seat right onto the seafront. On we go. We're just coming over towards Skipton area and we've seen these strange things over in a field. And we've just looked it up and they're called blubber houses.
Well, the area's called that, isn't it?
The area's called blubber houses. What are them things on, Mark? What do they do?
To do with RAF, I think, isn't it? So military.
Oh. Should I be filming it?
Yeah, you're right to film it. I don't think I get away with flying my drone over there. They might want to know who's flying the drone over. You might get in trouble for that as well.
Yeah, the area's called blubber houses. Very strange.
It's on the A59 and it's just past Skipton, but
should just be on the other side of this house now. It's really eerie, like big massive dinosaur eggs in a field.
RAF men with it's to do with Royal Air Force. It's what they use to keep eyes on the skies, I suppose, isn't it? You can't see it in the summer, can you? Because it's all green, but
yeah. They're strange. It's like you've arrived on a different planet. So we've landed back home after another weekend away. Hate these times, but
I know, back home and what is it? Back to work.
Back to work. But there's always a weekend coming soon, isn't there? So yeah. Never mind. Mark's had to quickly clean the bus because it was minging. It
was like a tractor, wasn't it, on the outside? All the roads coming back from Filey and Scarborough are like A roads, aren't they? And we're just fields and them, it's just muddy. Because we've not had a lot of rain, I don't think, recently to wash the roads and clean them. So yeah.
It were a shock when we got out. It were filthy, so you've just quickly had to go over it, haven't you, quick before it gets dark. So yeah, back to home life again, just for 4 or 5 days and then we're back out again.
We're off again next weekend, aren't we, all being well?
We just wanted to take this time to thank everybody and give us a few shout outs because we've had quite a lot going on over Christmas, haven't we? And
we have hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, so every single one of you have subscribed. We really appreciate that. It's absolutely fantastic. We never thought that at any point people would be that interested, and they are, you know. So while ever people, as we've said before, while ever people are interested, we'll keep making these videos.
No problem. We didn't set off to do anything special with the channel. It was more a bit of a hobby for us, something to do while we're out with the motorhome and document where we've been. Because as people have said before, you take pictures of where you've been, you put them on the on your camera or your phone, you never look at them again. But as with live vlogs, you can quickly just put them on the TV and say you've been to Cornwall, you can't remember where you quite went, put the vlog on and you can remember everything then. So yeah.
And the photo's a photo, but it doesn't tell a story, does it? You know,
so yeah, to get to 1,000 subscribers in what, 6 months? 6 and a bit months.
We're absolutely made up.
Yeah, and I can't thank you enough. We've got some lovely subscribers as well. We've made friends with a lot of you. And that's swiftly heading on to my next thing here. Not only subscribers in England, we've got quite a lot of viewers in America. It started off with a lady called Vegas Vegan, and I've befriended Christine and David and Maggie. Hi guys. And from her channel, quite a few of her subscribers have started following us, and we've been getting stickers from America. In a previous vlog I did say we got a sticker, and I explained where that had come from. Was it Plant City? Yeah, so we've had 2 more. We've come home to 2 more here with some little cards, and I just want to say thank you because you've sent me a thank you card.
It's all the way from America.
Yeah, this is this comes from Andre, Sherry, Lexi, Enoki and Cremini. I hope I've said that right, but the channel is called Buena Vida Route, and it's a lovely little sticker. It's like a sunset, if you will, with a little motorhome in it. Thank you guys, it's made its way safely to us, and I'm sure you've got our sticker by now as well. I always send them back, even if it's in America I will send it back.
It doesn't cost that much. I don't know what it costs you guys to post them here, but it costs about, I think for us to send one basic post,
is it £1.70?
about £1.70. So
it's not that bad. I thought it was going to be a lot more actually. And we've got another one here from Kathy and Stan, and they're called Doing It RV Way. A lovely little card and a little message in there. Appreciate it guys, and both these will be going on our sticker wall, and I'll show you what they look like on our sticker wall. We do have enough space to get you on there, I think. So yeah, thank you very much. Like I say, it's not just England that's watching, it's all the way across the pond as well. Yeah,
so I think we all do the same thing. I think over in America your RVs and your what you call your travel trailers are slightly different. They look quite substantially built, but ultimately everybody's doing the same thing, aren't they, and enjoying getting out in the open. So
Buena Vista are from California, and Stan and Kathy Jackson are from Livingston in Texas. So yeah, it's amazing. I love it. I love getting things like that. So thank you guys. Now this one's really special. This one blew our mind completely. One of our subscribers called Mark. I'll start from there. No, not this Mark here.
I don't subscribe to myself. So.
A very talented man. He has sent us something, and it's just out of this world.
Yeah, fantastic.
We sent us a few things actually. So the first thing is Woody's name.
Woody.
Made out of wood, if anything. And it's accompanied by this. I hope you can see it on camera. That's Woody's face.
I'll put a picture up now of it on the plain background so you can see that.
Yeah, you might be able to see it a bit better.
It's been cut out of wood, hasn't it?
It's unbelievable. It's amazing. And we also got off Mark a little chopping board with Woody on it.
Woody again. You're very
Says Woody
popular.
on tour. And we also got this, a Northerners on tour. Do you like that one better?
It's a shame to use them, isn't it, for chopping
I don't think I could. I don't think I could.
Yeah,
I wouldn't want to scratch them because the detail on it is amazing. Now Mark's got a channel called Dudes and Drones, and I can't recommend it enough.
I'll put it down there now. If you have a look, we recommend you go and have a look at the channel because it's absolutely fantastic.
It's fantastic, and he needs more subscribers than what he's got.
We really do recommend you have a look at the channel.
We owe Mark, not just one drink, Mark, like you said, quite a few, because that is so special of you to do that and send it to us.
If you drop us a message, Mark, let us know where you're going to be this year. I'm sure at some point
we'll meet up.
We'll meet up and we'll have a shandy or two. we are going to the Stratford Overland show. We're going to a show in Birmingham, I think, aren't we?
Yeah. So that's what Mark sent us. Now, this was a big box, so I'm worried about what was in this box. Actually, it's massive. Do you want to go and get it?
Yeah, I'll go and get it.
As many of you know, we do work alongside Rogue Alloy, who provided us with our tyres and wheels. And we can't recommend our tyres and wheels enough. They've made the motorhome a lot more smoother.
On normal roads, it used to crash and bang and rattle. We used to have a rattle above the fridge freezer, and I could never fix. I don't know what it was.
Could never find it.
But it doesn't do it. It stopped it.
Since we've had the new tyres on, everything's a lot smoother.
You know, I don't give the monkeys about the off-road thing. It's just the smoothness on the road, isn't it? You know, they're brilliant.
It's the best thing we did, really. So we do promote Rogue Alloys as much as we can. And as a thank you, they sent us something for Christmas. You'll have to lift it up, Mark, because I don't think I can lift it. So we've received this in the post. Oh. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
This was very special as well.
I thought for a minute it's a box of Chinese takeaway food, but it might have been cold.
So as you can see in there, you unzip it, you've got full cutlery, knives, forks, plates.
You've got plates in there, haven't you?
You've got a cool box inside of it.
You've got a picnic blanket.
You've got
a stopper inside there. Can you see a little stopper? The stoppers for your bottle of wine.
We've got extra plates, cups, everything. And it's so well made, it's unbelievable. All with leather straps and everything. Can you see if I turn it that way, can you see the cutlery on there?
Yeah. All the chains are all on it.
Absolutely amazing. So a big shout out goes to our friends at Rogue Alloys. Do you want to put it back over there?
So yeah, that's brilliant, that.
Yeah, so like I say, we didn't expect to get to 1,000. We didn't expect to get so many more new friends out of this venture. We didn't expect to be getting presents through the post. It's all just been a real good experience up to now. Yeah. And for as long as everyone wants to follow us, we'll just keep making them.
Yeah.
And take you along on our travels.
And don't forget, we've just said about people following us. We do Instagram. You take control of the Instagram.
I do Instagram and I do the Facebook.
Yeah, I do a little bit of the Facebook. Obviously we're on YouTube, so if you haven't already subscribed, it is free of charge. If you do press a little bell, you know when we release a video, because you get notified and you can spend 20 minutes of your time.
If you're following us on Instagram and Facebook, we do put it on there anyway on the same day, so you will get told and you won't miss it. So for now, I'm going to get in and get warm and get some tea. Not a Chinese, before you say.
No.
And we will probably catch you on the next one.
Yeah, we'll see you hopefully in a few days' time.
With some more adventures. So see you later, guys. See you later.
See you later.